Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to rotate your tablet. And only after that, go into Tab menu. Now look for one-hand icon and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by clicking on this icon with an arrow. If you wish to go back into the standard one, just click on the blank screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!